Hello everyone, I'm going to show you in this short video where to find the unit tests from the course Calculus and Vectors grade 12, as well as how to complete your exam and upload it to the corresponding Dropbox. Okay? So when you are navigating the course, you're going to see that the different units are in separate topics. Okay? So once you access a unit, you're going to be able to see all the lessons that pertain to this unit, and usually, not always, but usually by the end of the unit, you're going to see the different assessments of learning, which are the evaluations that count towards completing and getting your grade. Okay, so in terms of the unit test, you're going to see a banner, a short description of how it works. This is a time activity, so you will have 2 hours, sometimes more, to complete it, and 1 hour grace period to submit it. This is the same for Unit 2, and so on and so forth. Let's check this out really quick. So if you scroll down Unit 2, you're going to see that you have a presentation, multimedia presentation to submit for grading, and as well a unit test. The situation for Unit 3, the same, we have a presentation and a unit test. And for the 4th unit, we have another presentation and another unit test. Okay, so for the purpose of this example, let's try out with the Unit 1 test. So you can click on that. You're going to see the same description that you saw in the main unit page, and here you're going to have an option that says start or continue your attempt. It says continue for me because I was checking it out before going over this video, so in my case it says continue, but for most of you it will say start your attempt. Make sure that you have the time available in your schedule to complete your exam, your test, because you only have 1 attempt allowed. Okay, so make room for 2-3 hours of your day when you're ready to complete it to start it over. Okay, once you start your attempt, you are going to have 2 hours. You're going to get a timer on this side of the screen around here. Since I'm an administrative of the Moodle, I don't see it here, but for all the students you're going to get a timer. Okay, so you'll have some instructions here, and sometimes you'll see a preview of the exam that you can quickly review, and you're going to get a link to the file. Okay, so you just click on that, you can download it, you can print it if you have a printer at home, complete it by hand. It's usually the best way to go over these type of exams for math. Just do it by hand, and if printing it's not an option, you can just in a very organized manner you can develop this by hand. Okay, so you can start with knowledge and understanding questions, copy by hand the points, develop them in full answers, so show all the process. This is very important, and go over the whole exam. Once you finish your exam, what you can do is you can take some pictures with your phone, organize them in a PDF file, so please strive to put all the pictures in one single PDF file. To do this, I like to use this website called ilovepdf.com. It works with all sort of editions and creation of PDF files, so you can convert Word to PDF, PowerPoints to PDF. You can compress big PDF files, which is one tool that it's pretty common in order to make your PDF files smaller and easier to upload. And in order to create a PDF from your pictures on your phone, you can transfer your pictures from your phone to your computer and click on JPEG to PDF. Once you do this, you can select JPEG images straight from your computer. Here, so for example, we have this couple of images. You can tell it how would you like to organize it, and you just click convert to PDF and it'll get ready for you in a couple of seconds. You just download the file, and that's the name the file accordingly. So for example, MCV for you, unit 1 test. You can put your name on the name of the file as well. And once you're ready to upload it, you can go back to this window. Try to not close this window once you open it. Bear that in mind, please. And once you're ready, you're going to see this drop box at the bottom of the page. You can directly drag and drop the files from your computer. So I can drag it this way. Once it loads, it'll be completed. Or there's another way to do it, which is just click on this box. You click on choose file and you search over for it on your computer. And once you have selected it, click upload this file. Once you see it here, it means that it's ready and uploaded to our system, and you just click finish attempt. Okay, once you click finish attempt, you'll get one last review where you can return to your attempt, or you can submit all and finish. Okay, that's it for how to find and submit the unit tests from the course Calculus and Vectors. This will be the same situation for the final exam. Once you reach the end of the course, you're going to get the final exam enabled for you. This is going to be timed as well, and it will be a proctored exam, so you must send a message to the program coordinator or your teacher directly, letting them know that you're ready to complete your final exam, and you will schedule, you and your teacher will schedule a date and time where you can join a Zoom meeting or a Google Meet, where you will have to open your camera and make it available for your teacher to review your overview your exam process. Okay, that's it for today. I hope this video has been useful to you. Good luck in all your tests and good luck in all your exams.